Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Vibiemme Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work. We gave it a tune-up, replacing the gasket of the group head, as well as deep cleaning the group head, descaling the machine, deep cleaning the steam one, deep cleaning the shower head, and basically giving it a good clean overall. We also replaced the water pump and the air valve of the water pump as well. Just to show you the previous condition of the machine. This was the previous condition of the machine. So we definitely did clean a lot. Especially around this part, right here. So let's test it out. Starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna see if I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And thankfully, I think I did a good job picking up the grind settings. We're not using the machine portafilter, by the way. This is another machine portafilter. Unfortunately, we do not have the original one. Alright, for a double shot, it should be 2 ounces. A little bit on the fast side, but it's still a pretty good shot of espresso nonetheless. And now for the steamer, as you can see, working perfectly fine, having excellent pressure, working great. And now the hot water. Let me just set up my container here. And there you have it, working perfectly fine. So thank you for preparing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.